Hi besties, I'm standing on my balcony right now and I'm going to open the very cursed Furby from the eBay listing I've showed you. Here it is. I have literally no idea how to open it with only one hand, so I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. So I'm back again. I've cut open the duct tape and here they are. Let's look at these two guys first because I got them for free as kind of a thank you for buying the cursed one. Okay, so these two guys look actually quite nice. These two also don't seem to smell bad in any way. Now, let's put these two guys aside and take out the scary one. This guy was described as being very neglected and extremely filthy. So let's see and or smell if that's actually true. There he is. Look at this. There's fur missing. The beak looks disgusting. It's really chewed up. There's a hole in its ear. I don't know if you can see that. I'm quite surprised that the eyelashes seem to be intact. There's another hole in the other ear. And lots of discoloration going on. It feels so grimy. What is this? It's kind of crusty. It's got some of it on its belly too. This is disgusting. What happened to its toe? That must have hurt. There's some pink stuff in its fur and it's stuck. Okay, that doesn't smell as bad as expected. It just smells a little bit like basement, but not too much. So there he is, and let's see what will become out of him. I really hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. It was actually my first one to be recorded. Thank you so much for watching.